Alright, so today I'm going to do a quick video. You guys might recognize this computer. This is my old Gateway computer. It's a Pentium 3. You might have seen my video where I install Slackware on it, which you can see probably up there. But I just recently bought a gigabit network card for it, so I can turn it into a server. I already installed Windows Server 2003 on it, so I am going to put this network card in, and then I'll show you it booted up. We're already off to a great start, and it looks like my camera battery is dying, so we'll just get started right away. So this is the network card. Go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Driver CD, there's the card. This computer does not have PCIe because of how old it is, so this is a PCI Ethernet card. Let's see what's in here. Looks like this is a low profile bracket. Won't need that in this computer, but so let's go ahead and open the actual computer. Alright, so I have one in here. I think it's this. No, it's the one all the way on the bottom. I have one in here, but it does not work. I got it for free because it didn't work. I was hoping I could figure out what was wrong with it, but nope. So there's the old broken one. Here's the new one, which fingers crossed works. So we'll just stick that in there. There we go. And I don't have a screw, so we're just gonna go without. It's probably not a good idea, but that's what we're doing. So now we're just gonna put this up. I don't think it has any power cables to plug into it, so we are just going to put the top back on, move this over into the server room, and boot her up. Alright, I'm going to go move it over into the server room and get it all plugged in and ready. Alright, I recorded in this room last time, and again, it's not the best place to record, but so I've got my keyboard and my mouse plugged in. As you can see, this has USB on it. I could use my wireless keyboard that I have sitting up there, but it doesn't work for BIOS configuration, so it's complaining about time and date because the battery in here is dead. But we're just gonna resume anyway. We want to boot into Windows Server 2003. So now it's going to boot. Alright. The monitor I had plugged in before was a higher resolution monitor. So you saw it said over range, so it might be complaining about that. You'd think it automatically set the resolution, but I guess not. So I will be back with a different monitor. Alright, I've got a different monitor that I was using before. So now it's saying to press Control-Alt-Delete. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll type in my password. Yep. Time and date is wrong. That's what it's complaining about. Alright, we're in. Alright, it's now a terminal server. Nice. Alright, so here it is. We are in. It should be all set up now. We will just hop over to Internet Explorer. Yeah, it's got enhanced security on it. We're going to try to go to a website. Yeah, it works. We're on the internet now. Look at that. The universe does not want us to continue. My camera battery was dying, and then my SD card became full. So, anyways, I'm hoping that last part saved. Here we are, we're on the internet. We are going to try and make a simple website real quick. So, I might have it already installed, I don't know. We're gonna see. Add or remove. I'm just going to hit on the keyboard here instead of trying to figure out this mouse. Looks like application server is not configured. So, we're going to do that now. I don't think I can select it with the keyboard. This mouse is really finicky. Sorry about all the weird angles. Click on that. No. We're gonna click next. Next. Front page server. We're not going to get those additional tools. Keep going, keep going. Alright. Adding new components. Sorry about all the wobble. Please insert. Alright, it should maybe be in there already. Alright, I might have to get that CD. We're gonna check here real quick. Yeah, I took it out. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I've got my tray of CDs, and no, there's not a product key written on it. Open this real quick. Stick it in the tray. Okay, it should be in there now. If I press OK, I should get the files. Alright, it is confused because we stuck the server CD in there. Thinks we want to install it again. Nope, we already got it installed, thank you. Alright. Oh, we got more stuff showing up in our server manager. That's a good sign. Well, while we're waiting, I have added a few things in here since my last video. I've had these two Raspberry Pis just sitting around, so I figured I'd write an operating system to their SD cards and put them to use. This one is a security camera. That would be this Raspberry Pi. It is using this PS3i camera for this surveillance camera. And then this other Raspberry Pi, I don't really have anything on it, but I have been messing around trying to see if I can get a dark web website running on it, which might be interesting. Alright, it looks like we're done. So I will click finish, and now we've got, it says application server is on there. So we're going to use this finicky mouse to go over to manage. And almost. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay. Go up to ISS manager. I don't know if many people use IIS anymore for websites, but you know, it's good for testing, especially if you don't know much about Windows Server. So, kind of new at this, so we're gonna see, do we press plus, or do we have to right click on the computer? There we go. Okay. We might be running already. Yes, Surface is running. Okay, so I am going to, what can I do here to show you it's working? I could just, if I can, move the mouse down to Internet Explorer. Yes, security stuff. It is supposed to be a server after all. Okay. I'll just go ahead and type in localhost. Alright, it's complaining about security stuff. But it looks like an error message, but it says under construction, so that means the site is working. So I don't know, I might set up a little website on it so you guys can check it out, but for now it's just, I'll just have this to mess around with. Maybe I'll set up like a BBS or something on it. That might be kind of cool. But I think that's about all I have for today. So with that, Alex out.